Okay guys, in this part I will show you how to create data about your company, how to set numbering of your invoices, and how to set some data about your bank accounts. So first you will go to settings section and then you will click on the section company branches. There you can see that we have this test company, but now we will create our new company. So you will click on the button add my company. There are some fields you will fill, so I will fill them now with some sample data. So I have now added some sample data, so you will fill your company name, your surname, name, your company ID, your phone and email. It is up to you which fields you will fill, but I recommend to fill all of them. Then you can choose the time zone which you want and the day format and time format. Okay, now we can go to address section. I will now fill it with some sample data also. So you will fill your street, your number of your street, your city and country. Okay, now we can go to invoice data. There you have to fill your bank account, IBAN, SWIFT and all of these invoice data, so your invoices can be created in the correct way. So be careful with filling this data because they are really important. Okay, so you will fill your bank account, IBAN code, SWIFT code, your VAT status, some default tax and your revenue source, so goods, services or goods and services. And you can also add some low note if you want to. Okay, now we can go to the important part, which is numbering. This is numbering of your orders, pre-invoices and invoices. You can manage this numbering as you want, and you can change the numbering by clicking on this button change numbering, so I will now change it. Okay, there are some cells which you can fill. There is a counter cell, text cell and data cell. You can add as many you want by clicking on this plus button. So I will now remove all of them by clicking on this red cross and I will create whole new cells. Okay, so I will start from the end. So in the end, no, I will start from the beginning, of course, sorry. I will start with date cell, where I will set this to day. You will click on this pictogram where you can change time units, so I will choose day, size digits 2, okay. Then I will add text cell where I will fill this character. Then I will add another data cell where I will choose month. Okay, another text cell with character. Okay, another data cell now with the year. Now it is correct. And now I will add text cell with this character. And finally counter. And this counter will be ordering your orders and invoices and pre-invoices in the correct way. You can change its ordering by clicking on the edit button. So initial value will be 1, size I will choose 5 for example, and there is a one trick that in this type of counter you can choose that if the year is in the end, it will go again from the 1. So now I will choose increase 1, and if the year is the same, but if the year isn't the same, it will set the counter to 1 again. So from the next year, your numbering will be again, or will continue again from the number 1. I will click OK. OK. And you can see this sample data now with today's date. So it is really important to set this correctly if you want to have your orders in the right way. Okay, and I will now click save. Then we will go to languages, United States, and shop options, and there you will change invoicing company to your new company. I will click save. Okay, then back to company branches, and now you can remove this test company if you want to. Okay, so we have created our new company with all of the important data, and we have created new numbering for orders. You can also do this for pre-invoices and invoices. Okay, so I hope you have understood everything. This part of creating your online store is pretty important because you have to have these things in a correct way, so you don't want to misunderstand everything or misunderstand everything when you will be working with your orders and you will be sending some invoices. Okay guys, so hope you have understood everything and see you in the next part.